There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So I've got the shoes here, all nice and clean. And what I'm thinking is making them really colorful. So I was thinking this yellow, and then these like orange and blue. And here, these I want to make, I think, green and maybe like brown or something, but I'm not sure yet about that. And then this will stay white. And also with this I'm going to keep the outsides white and only color the insides. So yeah. First, I'll have to choose my colors. Luckily, I've got a lot. So I think these are the colors I'm going for.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you.
So this is what they're looking like right now. I'm probably going to do a little touch up later when this is dry to add a bit of the yellow. I really like this color, I'm so happy. I even kind of considered just leaving it like this or only using yellow, but I'm gonna stick to the original plan and do all the different colors, because I think that will look very cool. So now I'm going to do the back. Okay, well, I definitely like how this is looking. Well, at least the first layer. And yeah, I think this is almost dry, so I can start doing this thing. And I really like how the paint goes on the fabric. It goes on there very easily, and I also think it looks very nice with all those little stitches. So yeah, now I'm going to make the outsides orange and the insides blue. At all, because this paint is a lot thicker, so it's getting a lot smudgier and much less neat, and I'm not really liking it, but it's too late to change paints now, so I guess I'll just have to finish it with this. think once I clean up the like shoelace holes and I clean that up, I think it'll look a lot better. I think it'll look alright, but I don't really like this paint. It was very frustrating, and I still have to do the other one. Alright. To the last part, which is the orange.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?
Your day and ask you how